Why BMW will never build another V10. Close your eyes. You hear it before you see it. 10 cylinders, no turbochargers, just pure mechanical sound. The engine screams toward 8,250 revolutions per minute. For a moment, you forget you're driving a luxury sedan. It sounds more like a Formula One car. And that's exactly why BMW will probably never build another engine like this again. But to understand why, you have to go back to the early 2000s. At the time, BMW wasn't just building road cars. They were fighting at the highest level of motorsport, Formula One. The company believed racing made better engineers, and better engineers built better cars. Inside BMW M, a dangerous idea began to grow. What if they could bring Formula One technology to the street? Most manufacturers would have called it impossible. BMW didn't. Instead, they started building something extraordinary. Not another V8, not another straight six, a naturally aspirated 5-liter V10. It became known as the S85. The goal wasn't simply to make more horsepower. It was to create emotion, 10 cylinders, individual throttle bodies, instant throttle response, a red line above 8,000 revolutions per minute. Every press of the accelerator felt alive. There were no turbochargers hiding the sound, no artificial engine noise, only raw mechanical perfection. Then, the engine found its home, the BMW E60 M5. On paper, it looked like a luxury sedan. 4 doors, 5 seats, enough room for your family. But underneath, it was something completely different. The moment the engine started, everything changed. Journalists couldn't believe it. A family sedan. That sounded like a Formula One car. Owners loved it. Every tunnel became an excuse to downshift. Every empty road became an event. But greatness always comes with a price. The S85 wasn't a cheap engine to own. Rod bearings became a known issue. Throttle actuators could fail. Fuel consumption was high. And the SMG transmission divided opinions. Owning an E60 M5 demanded commitment. It wasn't the easiest BMW. It wasn't the cheapest BMW. But for many enthusiasts, it became the most unforgettable BMW. Then, everything changed. Emission regulations became stricter. Turbocharged engines became the future. BMW had a choice: keep chasing emotion or adapt to a changing world. The company chose turbocharging. The V10 quietly disappeared. And with it, an entire era of automotive engineering came to an end. Today, the E60 M5 is becoming a collector's car, not because it's perfect, because nothing has replaced it. Modern BMWs are faster, more efficient, more reliable, but many enthusiasts still say, nothing feels or sounds like the S85. Some engines produce power, some engines create memories. The BMW S85 V10 did both. And that's why BMW may never build another V10 again. This wasn't just an engine, it was a moment in history, and moments like this rarely happen twice.